Hi everybody, my name is Willie Martinez and I've been a licensed insurance agent for about 17 years. And we're going to talk about the best dental insurance plan in the country right now. Now folks, I spent over 12 years active duty in the United States Navy and I'm very proud of that. But I was very lucky and blessed to have access to the best dental insurance plan in the country when I was active duty. The nice thing about this is this insurance carrier is still serving all active duty military members right now, and they've been around for over 50 years. Right now, they're in all 50 states as well, so that's pretty neat. But you know, once I left the military, I'm sure there were a lot of people out there that were not having access, and didn't have access, I should say, to the best dental insurance plan in the country. Right now, over 167 million people in this country have no access to dental insurance, and the other 150 million are paying too much. What if I told you you can have access to the largest dental insurance carrier in the country with the best insurance dental plan, already in all 50 states, the largest dental network got over 189,000 dentists? What if I told you there was no age limits? What if I told you there were no annual maximum on the insurance benefits? Some insurance plans will limit the annual dollar amounts at $1,200 to $1,500 a year per family member. No annual dollar limits on insurance benefits, no lifetime limits, and again, as we said, no age limits. And what if you didn't have to wait any period of time for pre-existing conditions, unlike other insurance carriers where you have to wait 1 year to 2 years before you can use it? Folks, as long as you buy it by the 15th of the month, it will be active the 1st of the following month. What if I told you that this best dental insurance plans, as we just said, had $0 co-payments for many services, diagnostic services, so when you went to that first visit for your exam, $0 copay. When you needed those x-rays, $0 copay. The cleanings, $5. So how many of you can afford $5 when you take your son, your daughter, or your spouse to the dentist? Folks, this is definitely not only the best dental insurance, wait till I tell you the price. Some people today can't afford dental insurance because it can cost over $180 a month for a family. What if I... No limit on family members with a one-time $60 application fee. And you get a 30-day free look where if you don't like it, you can get your money back. Now what's nice about this, folks, is you can get more detailed information by entering your first name, your last name, and an email, and you'll get access to a 6-minute video that'll give you more details, and you can actually download a free PDF copy of the full fee schedule, so you'll know what you're paying for root canals, crowns, and even braces, folks, all right there in front of you, including getting a free copy of all the dentists in your state that you can actually call up and see if they accept this. So you can actually try this plan, take a look at it for free, no obligation, and call the person whose phone number is on this website, and they'll answer any questions you have. So enter your information, get your free look, and we want to say, don't forget, get your teeth cleaned as soon as possible. So God bless you. Have a wonderful day.